Hey, what's up everybody? This is Shane and I go by the Rise and Grind Picker, and I'm a full-time reseller on Amazon, eBay, and I also sell on Walmart.com. And today we found a killer hidden clearance reseller deal on Brickseek that we're gonna go try to find. This could benefit a ton of resellers because it's so cheap. You gotta check this out. We're at Walmart. Run! Hi, how are you? Okay, so I'm gonna show you this killer reseller deal first. This could benefit a lot of resellers that's just starting out, and I'll explain why after we find the item. And then we're also gonna do some RA and some clearance hunting here at this Walmart. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned for a big portion of the video. And if you're not already subscribed, or if you haven't already gave this video a thumbs up and you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We do a lot of different content here on this channel. All right, we're trying to locate the deal now. All right, we're looking for this deal here and we're trying to find it. All right, we found the deal and I'm gonna show you this. We're at Walmart right now. It's hidden clearance. I paid, I'm gonna show you my receipt. Not gonna show you my card number, but I'm gonna show you my receipt. So we paid, this is a good reseller deal, by the way. I bought it, since we're getting a warehouse, I needed an extra computer, and I bought, it's a computer. This is a computer deal, and this is it right here. I paid with tax, $139. The computer is 120 bucks, clearance price, and it is hidden clearance that had no tag on it. It is with the computers in the little islands. I'm gonna show you, okay, right after I show you this computer. It's a Chromebook, it's a Samsung, very nice Chromebook. I'm gonna show you where it's located. But this is it right here. It's a Samsung Chromebook, very nice Chromebook, and $129 actually with tax. And it's originally, I think, $200 or $299 or something like that. So you're saving over $100 on this Chromebook. Okay, I'm gonna show you where it's at. So it's gonna be in these little islands right here. And they could have it marked, they could not have it marked. Depending on how your store does markdowns, mine at my store did not have it marked yet, but some of them are currently marking computer deals. So you just want to be sure that you make sure you get the right deal. And it is a Samsung Chromebook laptop. Super great deal. All right, we're in the clearance aisle at Walmart. We're just looking to see what we can find, and I'm pretty sure someone stole the head off of that. That's super weird, But yeah, not worth nothing now. So we're gonna look for some stuff. There's not much here, to be honest with you. A lot of stuff is just gone. It's kind of crazy, but there's not a whole lot of clearance. And I would say that's a lot to do with, you know, a lot to do with people buying stuff, as well as Walmart not getting the stock in, and stuff is still pretty expensive. Like, what's this? Pool filter. It's $5. So if we scan that on eBay, I'm just curious, eBay and or Amazon. So that's actually, oh, excuse me, sorry. Not selling for much, $12. The clearance is definitely garbage. That laptop is definitely where it's at. It's a good deal, good hidden clearance deal. But overall, there's not a whole lot of clearance at Walmart. There's some clearance in the aisles, but the clearance aisle is pretty much dead. So we absolutely killed it with the laptop deal. We saved over $100, but now we're gonna scan the laptop and actually see if it sells for any profit and if you could pick these up and make any money. I don't know if you can, but see, I personally bought this deal for myself because I needed it, and oh my gosh, yeah, you can make some money. I probably, well, no, you really can't. So there's some selling on eBay for about brand new, about probably $160. So if you can find them cheaper than 100, you would make money. I paid $129 for this with tax, $139. I bought this because I'm closing on a warehouse for reselling in 2 weeks, and I have a desktop I just bought on hidden clearance for $240, like a super nice desktop tower. But I needed this for my reselling business, so I could actually either mount it to a cart or mount it to my shipping station so I could use it for shipping. And that's the thing, is right now Walmart is pretty bare. It's pretty low, and that's really why I haven't done many RA videos or hidden clearance videos, is stuff is very hard to find. I'm going to start doing a lot more of the hidden clearance stuff and the RA videos, but it is very, very hard to find. So if you don't see a lot of these videos come out, that's why. Yeah, that's why. Duh. I don't know. But that stuff's hard to find, so bear with me.